Alright, this song is Sweet Green, Where I Belong. It's called Sweet Green, Where I Belong. It's about cancer, about people that have cancer that don't want to leave their loved ones that are dying, that are, that are fighting cancer, and that they're slowly, dying basically. You're suffering, you're going through a lot, you're fighting this cancer. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. At the end, sooner or later, it's going to get you. You just don't know when. You're prolonging your life sometimes you don't get to. My dad prolonged his life for 3 years, 3.5 years, and we were blessed to be able to be with him for 3.5 more years before he passed. And he told me some things that he didn't want to happen. One of them was he didn't want to leave us behind. But I know he's in a good place now and where he belongs. And that's where God wants him to be, is home with him. And I hope someday I get to be with him in Jesus' house. Anyway, here we go. Can't you see I'm dying here as the poison runs through my vein, killing me slowly as the pain becomes my enemy, my enemy. Why am I crying? All I do is cry. Thought of leaving my family behind, trying to find what I can take. Every breath I have left in me, left in me. I surrender all peacefully. With you, God, I'm not alone. I close my eyes and drift away to a place where I belong, where I belong. I belong. Can't you see where I've been? On the outside looking, is it you that I can see? What's become? What will be? No more misery. Take a look at me. Don't you know I'm with God in His arms and peace? Sweet rain fall on me. I surrender all peacefully. With you, God, I'm not alone. belong.